Hi guys, this is Victor with Alarm CPA. Welcome back. And in today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about business insurance. And you might be saying, Victor, but why are we talking about the subject of insurance? It's a boring subject. I see commercials every morning on TV. I see commercials on the internet. I hear about it on the radio. I see the Geico commercial 20 seconds and every single billboard that I see on the highway. I mean, I see it everywhere. Why are we talking about insurance? Let's think about it, guys, and let's be pragmatic about it. So business owners have a lot going on. We all have a lot of things going on. And normally insurance is not the priority, right? It's not the number one thing on our list of priorities. It's normally, for a lot of people, it's at the bottom, right? And if you really think about it, it should not be at the bottom. It should be one of the highest. Why? Because it's risk. Your business is subject to risk. Anything can happen, right? Even it may not be your fault. You can be subject to an investigation. A lawsuit could be filed against you, against your employees, against your shop. And you basically need to be insured. You need to mitigate, you need to manage risk. So guys, it is important to protect your business from claims and lawsuits that you can see coming. If you really think about it, you can be sued about anything. Even if you haven't made a mistake, as I said earlier. Let's say you own a restaurant. If someone slips and fails in your shop, or if a client thinks you didn't do the job the way you said you would, you could find yourself facing a lawsuit. Business insurance can cover the cost, including the cost of defending yourself. That's why you want to have insurance, because it can cover the cost of the litigation, but also it can cover the cost of defending yourself. So you're running your business, you're helping your clients, you're doing what is supposed to be to serve your clients, but now you have this lawsuit and you're not an expert in it, right? So you have to find an attorney, you have to find people that will be representing you and so forth. And for that, you need to make sure that you have the business insurance, because the business insurance can cover the cost associated to the litigation. It also can cover the cost of defending yourself. And then if you think about it, guys, some professions require that you have business insurance, right? Many professions like physicians, engineers, accountants, attorneys, right? People that require, in general, a license issued to perform their job, they need to have what's called an errors and omissions insurance, or a malpractice insurance, right? That's very important. As I said, guys, many healthcare related professionals require professional liability insurance, which is sometimes referred as a malpractice insurance. Sometimes, guys, in order for you to get into a contract, for you to perform a service, the contract itself requires that you or the other party be insured. So that's why it's very important that you are insured. So if you see, guys, it's very important that your business is insured, right? Something may happen and you're not equipped for you to defend yourself, even if it's not your fault. That's why you want to make sure that you have business insurance. And every year, guys, you want to make sure that you're having the right conversation with your insurance broker to make sure that you have the right coverage, the right risk limitations, and the right conversations, because businesses do evolve. Businesses do change, right? So for example, here during COVID, the last 2 years, businesses have changed, businesses have shifted. So now that you are basically providing, or you have clients or businesses providing services in a different format, in a different way, the risk has shifted, right? Because you have less people coming to different places because things are now being done virtual. So the risk changes. So that's why it's important for you to have a conversation always with the insurance carrier that you have a relationship with. Explain the kind of business you're in, explain to them how is it that your business has changed, and then that way you make sure that you are correctly covered. Point number 2, guys. So you may be asking, how much does business insurance cost? Hey Victor, how much is this thing gonna cost me, right? I'm running a business, I have to serve clients, I have to pay bills, I have to do marketing, I have to basically work 24/7. Are you saying that I gotta pay insurance, I gotta pay all this stuff? I may not have enough funds for me to pay this thing. Well, guys, you have to make sure that you budget properly and that you take the right steps in order for you to have the coverage that you need. Period. You have no excuse for that. So make sure that you have a conversation with your insurance broker about it. And then ask a question, okay, how much is this thing gonna cost me? Is it gonna cost me a lot of money? Well, it could depend on the industry that you operate in. It could depend on how many years of experience you've been in the industry. It could be the revenue size. It could be the amount of employees that you have, right? We've seen cases, examples where the premiums could be as low as $30 per month. We've seen some instances that the insurance is like $1,000 per year. We have seen cases which is like hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. It just depends the industry that you operate in, okay? So there's no specific science to how much it's gonna cost you. It's on a case-by-case basis. It depends on the industry that you operate in, years of experience, credit rating, many different things, business profile, personal profile, many different aspects. So it is important that you have a conversation with your insurance broker about it. So there you go, guys. I've given you a couple of pointers on business insurance. Number one, do I need business insurance? And number two, how much is this gonna cost me? It's very important. Utilize these 2 points for you to step back and take a look at your business. Take a look at yourself. Take a look at your business. Take a look at your clients and take a look at the relationships that you've been having. And take a look at the needs that your business does have. And take a look at what are the risks associated of you running your business. Make a comment below, right? And let me know if you learn from these 2 points in this video. And as always, guys, click like and subscribe, and guess what? We'll see you in the next video.